Ohaneze na-ege ntị. Hello and welcome to my African Village TV, your guide to the hidden treasures of Africa. The Igbo people of southeastern Nigeria are renowned for their entrepreneurial spirit and business acumen. While making up just a fraction of the country's population, Igbo businessmen and women have built some of Nigeria's largest and most successful businesses across various industries. These Igbo-owned businesses play a vital role in driving the nation's economic growth and development. In this comprehensive video, we will highlight three of the most prominent Igbo international businesses that have not only achieved remarkable success, but have also made significant contributions to Nigeria's economy. Ọ bụrụ na ị like ndị Igbo, biko chalụ this video. Airpeace is number one we are profiling today, soaring high above turbulence. Oh my goodness. Airpeace, founded by Mr. Allen Onyema, is a shining example of an Igbo-owned business that has defied the odds and risen to become a major player in Nigeria's aviation industry. Established in 2013, Airpeace has grown from a struggling airline to one of the largest and consistent and stable air carriers in West Africa. Onyema's early life was marked by struggles and challenges. However, his entrepreneurial spirit and ambition drove him to establish a thriving business empire that spans various sectors, including aviation, real estate, and agriculture. The launch of Airpeace was a bold move that challenged the dominance of established airlines in Nigeria's highly competitive aviation market. Recently, Airpeace has just launched a route flight from Nigeria to UK, a direct flight for that matter. In fact, that is the cocoa of this video. Have you ever entered an aircraft where they serve you pounded yam and egusi? Chai chineke. Hey, guys, it's not a hyping thing. Don't tell us to Jirilanwayo. And at the launch of this route, they were wearing Isiago. If you like, say Isiodum, the Igbo traditional attire. Some people took offense and thought it was overboard, but I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. This has come to stay. Even the pilot speaks in Igbo language, makes people laugh. You needed to hear this. Take a listen. You heard that? That was fun. I'm so overwhelmed because this is a win-win situation for the Nigerian society, for the Igbo community, and for Africa as well. This is amazing. Right after the Biafran War in Nigeria, this was the story of our little beginning. Now, my own father is still alive. He told me this story firsthand. I didn't even read it from any news or blog post or any history book. He told me this. I just want to give you a tip of why we are who we are, the way we are, the way we do things, the way we walk, the way we operate, the way we shine. There's something about an Igbo person. Right after the Biafran War, every Igbo man in the society, poor or rich, handicapped or full, whole, it doesn't matter who you are, as long as you're from that part of the country. Guess what? The Nigerian government at the time gave each family 20 pounds. The people that had houses had those houses confiscated by the government, seized. Their houses ceased to be theirs. It doesn't matter how many cars you have. It doesn't matter how many houses you had. Everything was taken away from us. And we were giving only £20 to live on, to start life on. Even if you had 20 million in the bank, you were giving £20. 2 units. Let's talk about Innocent Motors, driving Nigeria's automotive industry. Innocent Motors, founded by Dr. Innocent Ifediaso Chukwuma, is a pioneering Igbo-owned business that has made a significant impact on Nigeria's automotive industry. Established in 2007, Innocent Motors is the first wholly Nigerian-owned vehicle manufacturing company, producing a range of vehicles, including buses, trucks, and SUVs. Dr. Chukwuma's journey to becoming a successful industrialist is a testament to the power of perseverance and determination. Born into a family of modest means as well, he faced numerous challenges and setbacks, but refused to be deterred from his dream of establishing a world-class automotive manufacturing company in Nigeria. The company has invested heavily in research and development, leveraging the expertise of Nigerian engineers and technicians to design and produce vehicles tailored to the unique needs and challenges of the Nigerian market. By producing vehicles locally, Innocent Motors has not only saved valuable foreign exchange, but has also created employment opportunities and supported the growth of auxiliary industries such as auto parts manufacturing and automotive services. Furthermore, Innocent Motors has played a pivotal role in skill development and technology transfer within the Nigerian automotive industry. Beyond its commercial successes, Innocent Motors has also demonstrated a commitment to social responsibility. The company has established educational institutions, including a technical college and a polytechnic, aimed at nurturing the next generation of skilled professionals in the automotive and allied industries. 3. KEC Cables and Wires, powering Nigeria's infrastructure. Founded by Gilbert Obiajolo Uzodike and Odi Onwosu in 1981, is a pioneering Igbo-owned business that has played a crucial role in Nigeria's infrastructure development. Headquartered in Nnewi, KEC Cables is one of the largest cable manufacturers in Africa, producing a wide range of cables and wires for various applications, including power transmission, telecommunications, and construction. The story of KEC Cables is one of the resilience, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Founded during a period of economic uncertainty and political instability in Nigeria, KEC Cables has overcome numerous challenges to become a leading player in the cable manufacturing industry, both domestically and internationally. One of KEC Cables' most significant contributions to the Nigeria economy is its role in supporting the nation's infrastructure development. The company's high-quality cables and wires are used in a wide range of projects, including power transmission lines, telecommunication networks, and construction projects, and enabling the reliable and efficient distribution of electricity and communication services across the country. Hello, Ndebai. How far? See, I'm doing all this. I'm making videos as this for you not just to be informed, but for you to patronize our own. We are wrapping up this video here. In conclusion, the success stories of Airpeace, Innocent Motors, and KEC Cables serve as inspiring examples of the entrepreneurial spirit and business acumen of the Igbo people. These Igbo-owned businesses have not only achieved remarkable success, but have also made significant contributions to the Nigeria's economic growth, job creation, and infrastructure development. Their story highlights the resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to excellence that have become hallmarks of Igbo entrepreneurship. Until I see you guys in my next video, Nwada Splendour Ngozi. I love you guys so much. Bye for now.